Rome wasn't built in a day, and we definitely can't cover it all in just 10 minutes. But we're going to try. Welcome to the entire history of ancient Rome, a story of legendary heroes, epic battles, political intrigue, and a legacy that still shapes our world today. From its mythical beginnings to its unstoppable empire and dramatic fall, we're diving into it all. So grab your togas and let's get started. Our story starts with a myth, a pretty wild one. Rome's legendary founders, Romulus and Remus, were twin brothers raised by a she-wolf. As adults, they decided to build a city, but sibling rivalry got out of hand. Romulus killed Remus and named the city after himself, Rome. Dramatic start, right? But the real history begins around 753 BCE, when early settlers built a small village on the banks of the Tiber River. They had no idea this humble start would grow into a global powerhouse. Before Rome became an empire, it was a kingdom. For about 200 years, Rome was ruled by kings. Some real, some maybe more legendary than factual. These kings laid the foundation for Rome's early political and religious structures. But Romans didn't love monarchy, and after the last king was overthrown in 509 BCE, they decided no more kings. And so began the Roman Republic, a system where citizens voted for their leaders. Sounds pretty modern, right? Well, kind of. Power wasn't exactly equal. Only wealthy male citizens had real influence. But the Republic saw Rome's rapid expansion, epic wars like the Punic Wars against Carthage, and legendary leaders like Julius Caesar. Speaking of Caesar, he played a huge role in the Republic's downfall. After gaining massive power and declaring himself dictator for life, his assassination in 44 BCE set off a chain of events that would end the Republic forever. Enter the Roman Empire, the peak of Rome's power and influence. Augustus, Caesar's adopted son, became the first emperor in 27 BCE. Under his leadership, Rome entered the Pax Romana, 200 years of relative peace and prosperity. The empire expanded across Europe, North Africa, and the Middle East. The Colosseum hosted brutal gladiator fights, roads connected distant provinces, and Roman law shaped future legal systems. But even empires have cracks. By the 3rd century CE, things started falling apart. Economic troubles, military overreach, and internal power struggles weakened the empire. In 476 CE, the Western Roman Empire officially fell when the Germanic king Odoacer deposed the last emperor, Romulus Augustulus. The Eastern Roman Empire, or Byzantine Empire, hung on for another 1,000 years, but the age of ancient Rome was over. And yet Rome's influence never really ended. From languages and laws to architecture and art, Rome's legacy is everywhere. So next time you walk past a government building or watch a courtroom drama, you're seeing a bit of ancient Rome in action. Thanks for joining this whirlwind tour of one of history's greatest civilizations. If you enjoyed this, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and let us know in the comments what ancient history you want us to cover next. Until next time, bye.